Hi everyone, my name is Daniel, and in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how much money that I make with my small YouTube channel with a 7,000 subscribers. So if you could see right here is my new channel, which consists of only 2 subscribers right now, and the content is still not much. But actually, this is not my main channel. My main channel is this one, in which I have already got around 7,500 subscribers. And later, we're gonna be talking about how much money that this channel is making. If you haven't checked out my previous video, you can also check it out first. In this video, I review about how much money that my channel, which that time has around 5,300 subscribers, is making. And this video is actually taken like few months ago. That's why I already get some few more subscribers, because my channel keep on growing. The easiest way to check if your channel is growing, you can just go to socialblade.com. Then you can just go to YouTube right here. You actually using this tool, you can check so many social media platforms. But for this case, we're gonna be using it for checking our YouTube channel, and then you just type your channel. After you typing your channel, then you just press search right there, and then your channel analytic will come out right here. You can see so many data right here. There is the upload count, subscriber count, video views, country, channel type. This is like when your channel is first created. You can see the rank of our channel, and then how our channel is performing, how much the views that we got in the last 30 days, how much money is estimated. But this estimation, sometimes it can be correct, sometimes it can be wrong. It just depend on how much RPM that you are having on your channel, because this prediction is the estimated amount if you have a CPM range from 0.25 until 4. Later on, we're gonna also talk about that. This is the estimated yearly earning, and then this is how much subscriber that I get in the last 30 days. So if you want to see if your channel is growing or no, you can just scroll down and see at this table. You can see this is like the data of the performance of your channel every single day. You can see there's a date, subscriber count, and then video views, and then estimated earning. If you are seeing that the subscriber keep on increasing every single day, it means that your channel is growing. And if you see that you got some views every single day, it means that YouTube algorithm has supported your channel in order to be shared to more people. So as you can see right here, I'm getting around 10 until 20 subscribers a day. On daily average is around 18 in the last 30 days. If you want to see the full monthly statistic, you just press this red button. It will give you a bigger analytic. You can see I get around 18 subscribers per day, and then the views that I got per day is around 2,200. If you go down, there's the graph about how much subscriber that you get every single week, and then this one is just like the views, how much views you get every single week, and then this is the growth of your subscriber. This one is the growth of your video views. If you see, there's a moment when my video views is decreasing. The reason of this, because I delete some of my videos, that's why the views is decreasing, and then after that it slowly gradually increase again. Okay, so that's how to check the growth of your channel. Right now I'm gonna talk about how much money that this channel is making. We will just go to the analytic, we just press customize right here, then we just head into the analytics. So this is the analytic of my main channel. You can see I have around 705,000 subscribers, and then in the last 2 days I get around 4,000 views. And right here is the number of views that I got every single day. It ranging around 2,000, 1,800, 2,600, 1,500. Sometimes it increase, sometimes it decrease. It depends on the video that I'm posting, because every single day I'm posting. But lately I'm getting pretty busy because I'm creating a new channel. That's why I'm just posting like once every 2 days. You can see right here, I used to be posting every single day. Right now it's only like once video every 2 days, because I divide my time in order to create this second channel in order to help you guys on growing on YouTube. So this is the watch time that I get around 150, sometimes 180, sometimes it's only like 120, but I think the average will be around 150 hours per day watch on all of my videos. So this is actually time spent by people watching your videos. So all of my videos combined get around 150 hours of watch time every single day. This is how much the subscriber that I get in the last 28 days. It's around 500 something. And then this is how much money that I'm making. As you can see right here, my channel is making, sometimes it's making $6, sometimes it's making $5. It keep on increasing and decreasing. It just depends on how much view that I got. Sometimes if I'm posting something which is a little bit controversial, or maybe the thumbnail performance is good, a lot of people click on it, maybe the earning will increase by a little bit. As you can see right here, when I post something that is performing really well, I get more views, my channel will get me $10. But if the views is dropping, my channel is only making like $5. So if you're doing YouTube, you have to know that your income is not as stable. Sometimes you can be making a lot of money, sometimes you will not make as much money as you used to be. If we go to the last 365 days, you can see right here, my channel is not even monetized for 1 year yet. My channel is first monetized on February 13, it's on Sunday. So basically it's 14th of February. Basically it's a Valentine Day. I remember that was the happiest moment of my life, because if you know, previously I have started another YouTube channel. I've been posting like more than 300 videos, and that channel failed really big. That's why after I started this channel, and this channel is actually making me money, that day was the happiest day on my life. So if you are not monetized yet, don't worry about it. Just keep on making videos, because I'm pretty sure that even if you're not monetized right now, if you're posting so many videos, one day your channel will get monetized. And once you get more subscribers, the growth rate of your channel will increase, because your channel is actually growing exponentially. In the beginning phase, maybe your channel is only getting around 1 subscriber per day, 2 subscriber per day, and then after making more videos, maybe you will get 5 subscriber per day, and then the growth rate will keep on increasing. And then after making maybe hundreds of video, maybe you will get 10 subscribers per day. As you can see right now, my channel is getting around 18 subscribers per day, and I'm pretty sure in the future it will grow even more and I can get more subscribers daily. So if you wanna see how much this channel is making, we'll just go to the revenue, and then we can just see right here. In June, my channel is making around $170. In July, around $149. In August, around $166. September, around $169. In October, around $190. And in November, it's still ongoing because we haven't finished November yet. Maybe it will get around 170 or 180, I don't know. But the good thing about YouTube is Google AdSense is not only your source of income. Actually, you can make so many other source of income. To be honest, this channel is making more money from my endorse, from my affiliate, than what I'm getting from my Google AdSense. So even if your channel is not monetized yet, even if your channel is monetized but don't give you significant amount of money, you can still increase the income by using another way. For example, you use affiliate link, or maybe you endorse, you promote about something in your channel, you work with a brand and promote their product in your channel, or maybe you are doing affiliate marketing, you are doing referral or something. There is so many ways to make money on YouTube. Maybe in the next video I'm gonna talk about it on how to make money on YouTube other than Google AdSense. And also why I can get paid more for my endorse, it actually depends on your niche. On this channel, my niche is around investment. As you can see right here, a lot of my videos is talking about investment, how to invest, how to make money, and then I review about a financial technology platform, giving people recommendation on which app is good, which app is bad, and I often giving an honest review. I also teach people on how to manage money, how to invest, how to prepare your finances, prepare the insurance, prepare the emergency fund, and other stuff like that. If you're new on YouTube and you don't have 1,000 subscribers yet, you already make a lot of videos and your videos is not getting you any new views or new subscribers, don't worry about it. You just keep on being consistent and just post consistently. Maybe post every single day, or maybe post at least once every single week. The more you post, it will be the better, because the thing is, like in YouTube, you never know which video gonna blow up. Sometimes you make this kind of video, you think that that video is really good, you think that video will blow up, but the thing is that video will not blow up. Then suddenly on the other day, you just create a random videos, you don't expect much from that video, suddenly that video will blow up and give you so much money, getting you so many views and subscribers. So you never know which video gonna blow up. As you can see right there, if we go to the videos that I perform really well, I get around 150,000 views. You can see there's so many like right here, even though this channel is only getting around 7,000 subscribers. You know, this video I never expected to blow up. I just create random videos. I even only record it using my phone, and at that time I'm still a little bit shy. I don't know how to speak to the camera, I don't know how to speak properly, I still even speak so slowly, but still this video is making me more money, more views than other of my video that I personally think will blow up. So the thing is, like, you never know which of your video gonna blow up, so you just keep on making videos. And also there's an interesting statistic right here. If you see, on average it takes 15.5 months to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. This will consist of uploading 164 videos. This video will need to target keywords that have enough traffic to bring in views but are not too competitive that you cannot rank for the search terms. See, you can see right here. So averagely it take more than a year to get 1000 subscribers, and on average it take you more than 150 videos. So if you are making so much video and haven't get 1000 subscribers yet, you don't have to worry. You just keep on making videos. You don't have to think about it. It's normal. It's only few channel right there which get a lot of subscribers after posting maybe only 5 or 10 videos. The thing is, like, majority of people we will get 1000 subscribers after posting so many videos. My channel is also the same. As you can see right here, I get my first 1000 subscribers around 12 February with 128,000 views. You can see I've been posting so many videos. It's maybe around almost 100 videos. It's not more than 100, but it's around almost 100 videos in order for me to get my first 1000 subscribers. So for you who haven't got 1000 subscribers yet, you just keep on posting video, just keep on posting consistently, and one day you will get your channel monetized. Maybe in the next video I'm gonna giving you tips about how to reach 1000 subscribers faster, and another tips on trick on how to grow on YouTube. If you like this kind of video, you can also check out my channel. I talk a lot about investment, about how to grow on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, make money online, and anything related to content creation on YouTube. I think that's all for today. See you guys in the next video. Bye.